Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. And then you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds. Right here in the third line we have a button what's called Disconnect, and we need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to tap at the Disconnect, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but it leaves your earbuds at the device list. And if you select Unpair, it will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let's click on it, and as you can see, we just stopped Bluetooth connection, but we have it still at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!